Guys can be hard to get things for sometimes, so hopefully this video will be helpful. We're going to go from inexpensive things all the way to crazy expensive things. I use these all the time, so I'm not just hawking stuff that they're not going to use. If they do handy DIY projects or have little projects that they do, or they work on cars, then these are gifts that will definitely be appreciated. So one of the first things on the inexpensive side is a pair of digital calipers. These help you get very precise, fine measurements. It does metric and imperial measurements as well as fractions and decimals. It is fabulous. It's battery powered, so you want to check and see if it has batteries. But this is a must-have. If anybody's got a lot of tools, they're working in the garage or whatever in their workshop, digital calipers, they'll thank you for them. Now, what we have also on the inexpensive side is a MagSafe wallet. If they have a MagSafe case, this wallet, I love it. It really streamlines things. I don't like carrying a lot of stuff. Very inexpensive. This is less than $10. The digital calipers anywhere from $20 to $30. Now this is if they like to work on cars or if they have to work on cars. Get them a set of these. This is a magnetic pickup tool. You're going to drop a bolt or a nut or any part down in the car under the hood. You're going to want this. They will love it if they don't have one already. In addition, one of these awesome tools, it is a flashlight with a very powerful neodymium magnet on the back, and it has all these different features. You're not going to use this. That would be for roadside. But this is very helpful in working on cars. Both of these tools probably run you about 20, 25 bucks. Now this one you can get a 3-pack or a 4-pack or just buy one, but Apple AirTags. They are so useful in finding things. I've used tiles and I've used AirTags. AirTags are far superior. And if you're losing your keys or whatever, you just put one of those on it, you'll always find it. All right, moving up the ladder on expensive things. This is the Bug Assault. This is the 3.0. I love it. This was given to me a few Christmases ago. And you point and shoot. It sprays salt at the offender. And the offender is obliterated. It's amazing. I've used it on black widows and pesky insects. I don't use it on helpful insects. I get those out nicely. But any uninvited, unfriendly, it is getting the treatment. This is the way to go. It's about 40, 50 bucks. They even have crazy high-powered CO2 ones for like mega insects if you're living in the Amazon or things that just won't die. So links in the description for that. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a like as we continue on. All right, it's cold where you are. This is the gift to get if you're outdoors or in a cold workshop. It is a heated jacket. This one's made by Aurora. I've had it for 3 years now. Excellent gift. Every winter it comes out and I look forward to putting it on. Keeps me nice and toasty. It has different degrees of heating, so when it's very cold, I just crank it up. Lasts for hours. The batteries are rechargeable. You can buy multiple batteries. If they are outside frequently and they're doing a lot of standing around, they're not like chopping trees or whatever, this is definitely an excellent gift. They will think about you every time they put it on. It is awesome. I love it. Okay, next up. This is one of the most used tools that I have. It is a DeWalt gyroscopic screwdriver. There are other screwdrivers out there, but this one is not just electric. It has lithium-ion batteries. It comes with 2 of them. It can convert from the straight shaft to the more drill-like for tighter spots or for different control. But what's awesome about this is you push the button. First, you get a light so you can see work. That is very helpful if you're doing anything in any dark area. Now you push the button, and the slower you turn it to the right, or the more you turn it to the left, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, it will increase or decrease the speed. It's amazing. You have optimal control. In addition to that, you can adjust the torque so you don't over-torque something and strip screws or break anything. It's powerful enough to drive screws into sheetrock and 2x4s and drill. Now, it doesn't replace a drill, light drilling, let's say. The bits are interchangeable. It is the tool of choice. I use this all the time, way more than I ever thought I would. Gyroscopic screwdriver, link in the description below. Let's say you have a decent sized budget. I mean, a really good budget. You can get a mini split. I use the Della. There's Mr. Cool. I'll put a link in the description. Like I said, I've used the Della now for a few years. It is cool in the summer and hot in the winter, and it is amazing. It's transformed my garage workshop here. I can be in here at any time working on cars, working on projects, and it's a bit of a project to install. You got to know what you're doing, or you can hire somebody to do it, but man, it changes everything. So the Della Mini Split is definitely the way to go for heating and cooling needs. Definitely an awesome gift if you got the budget for it. Okay, now we're going to get to really fun stuff. Again, this is on the pricey side. 3D printers. You can spend a little bit on a 3D printer. You can spend a lot. Generally, you get what you pay for. I like the Prusa 3D printers. They really are well designed. The community for them is huge and awesome and helpful, and they keep improving them and coming out with updates and upgrades to your existing hardware. I have the Prusa MK3, excellent printer. It's a little bit on the older side, but it's still being supported. But there are many different models from Prusa. That is a filament printer. If they have a 3D printer already that's filament and they're 3D printing all the time, maybe they want a resin 3D printer. Resin 3D printers are awesome as well. They have a little bit of a smell. So if they are into 3D printing and they have a filament, move them to resin, they'd love it. In addition to 3D printing, on the pricey side again is lasers. I've got two lasers back there. One is a CO2 laser that does the wood cutting and engraving, all the wood burning, all that cool stuff with wood and organic things like leather. But I also have a fiber laser. Fiber does things with metal. It can mark metal, it can engrave, and you can spend anywhere from $1,000 up to $5,000 and more on these lasers. But if they're doing projects and woodworking or metalworking of any type or kind, lasers are an amazing gift that can let them make a lot of cool stuff. So there you have it. That is my list from inexpensive all the way up to crazy expensive holiday gift guide for guys that work in garages. Thanks for watching. If I missed anything, if you have any questions, let me know and I will try my darndest to get back to you. If you want more videos like this, I don't usually do gift guides, but if you want reviews or DIY project videos, this is the place to come. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous time.